All right, y'all, going to go see this apartment. I got approved, so let's see what it's talking about. Is that a gunshot? Yeah, this is supposed to be the key to get in. Oh, hell no. These stairs ain't been clean, period. Talking about they got on-site housekeeping. Please. They do got cameras, y'all, so that's good. That's good.
I'm sorry.
I'm
gonna be a little
what?
bit more. I'm gonna be a little bit
In
more.
the world.
You know. Oh hell no.
So I can just walk in.
No.
Basically, I can just walk in.
People just leave.
Okay, y'all, this the lobby area. They got vending machines. Okay. Really ain't hitting on nothing. These elevators is scary.
This car. This is the first impression that they do. Everything does, man.
Where does that lead to? Oh my goodness. Okay, we on the what, third? Oh, third. Ooh, this thing give me claustrophobia, baby. This the third. Look, do you smell that? What is that? Oh, hell no. Now that's ghetto. That's pure ghetto.
This is why.
Look at look at all of this, that railroad track. Oh, heck no. Nah. We can look at this big stain on the car. Y'all. Okay, y'all. This is the apartment.
Probably.
What in the world?
I wish a nigga would like I get your hands.
Where's the mirror? So this is what they was gonna show me. This is what they had for me. They don't even have no knob. All right, we fixing to go see this apartment, y'all. There's another one. I know this ain't open.
I know she wasn't.
She said this was move-in ready, y'all. This smell like cat pee in here. Y'all, look at this. And they thought they was finna rent this to me? Look at the tub, y'all. Y'all, this the second floor crime scene, y'all. This is definitely this is first 48 ready. Straight up.